All right, today we're going to test and review this coaxial cable toolkit from Klein tools. This kit has everything you need to make connections for RG59, RG6, or RG6 quad shield coax cable. Here's what you get in the package: a coax cable stripping tool, a cable cutter, the compression crimp tool. There's also a storage bag inside there, and they also include 6 of Klein's compression fittings for RG6 and RG6 quad shield cable. Got everything laid out here that comes in the kit. Compression fitting is definitely the way to go when you're making a coax connection for TV antennas, satellite dishes, or even cable TV. It's way more durable than the older crimp style connection. Show you how the kit works here. We'll start today with the cable cutter. And the thing I like about this cable cutter is it has a curved blade on it. If you just use like a straight side cutter on coax, it tends to football the cable and it's misshapen, making it harder to get the connector on there properly. So we'll just start by squaring this cable off. Now it is not too bad, but it's always good to make sure your cable's rounded out again before you move on to the next step. Next, we'll strip the cable. We'll slide this depth stop over, and we put the cable in there. It's not going to go too far. Press the plunger down, push the cable in, and just give it a few turns. That's going to give you that 2-step cut that you need. There we go. Now it's always good to take a minute and pull back all of the braided shielding. You don't want any of that touching your center conductor. Make sure that's all pulled back cleanly. Now we can take the compression fitting, slide it on, and push it down until the white dielectric is flush with the bottom of that nut. That's set good right there. Looks nice and neat on the cable. Now we'll take the compression tool and we're going to just fit the cable in. The center conductor is going to go inside this little hole here inside the plunger. Set it in like that. Just rest the cable in that little nook there and just push down and it'll compress the fitting on there. And that's on there firmly. That is not going anywhere. It's that easy. This is definitely the best kind of fitting for TV antennas, satellite dishes, and cable TV. Way better, like I said, than the old crimp style connection, especially if you're going to put your cable outdoors. And just as a little extra, we're going to verify this cable's in good working order using my Klein Tools Coax Explorer coax testing and mapping tool. This one's really easy to use. I'll just take off one of these remote leads. We'll use the red one this time. Just reviewed this tool on my channel. It's very simple and easy to use. Just fit the remote lead on one end of the cable like that, and then the other end you're going to just install right on the tool. And this is going to tell us if this cable is in good working order or not. Hold down the test button. The red light lights up. This cable is good to go. There's different versions of these coax toolkits available. There's this one here that has the cutting tool included. And there's also one that does not have the cutting tool, but does include the coax testing tool. You can find Amazon affiliate links to both of those in the pinned comment and the video's description.